so many people experience verbal abuse or violence that involves shouting and yelling or screaming. And so we might go through life with a heightened sensitivity to when someone starts to raise their voice and get escalated, that we start to have a fear response or a trauma response to it based on previous experiences when people raised their voice and it led to trauma. This is something that I try to be as sensitive as possible to, especially when I'm facilitating trauma therapy groups, and I try to avoid yelling to get people's attention in trauma therapy. Instead, I'll use some sort of nonverbal signal to get folks' attention and let them know to finish what they're talking about and get ready to move on to the next thing in the group. Often I like to just dim the lights slowly and gradually so that folks can notice that the lights are starting to go dim and to finish what they're talking about and get ready to move on to the next thing.